How to add base network to Trust Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Trust Wallet. Enter your correct login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you're in here, what you want to do is click on the search bar at the very top. And then you have to search for base. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to see Ethereum base. You simply have to toggle on this button. Once you have toggled on, click on this plus icon at the top right corner. It will land you on this interface. In the network option, you can see it says Ethereum. In order to change, click on it. And in the search bar, you have to search for base. Once the base network appears, click on it. Now you have to add the address, name, symbol and decimals, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add base network to Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.